What's up, my beautiful people? How are you guys doing? Let's know in the comment section how you're doing. So today I'm finally unboxing my new fridge. If you've been following my moving out journey, you've already know I've been slowly getting things for my new home, and honestly this is one of those purchases that makes the place feels even more like home. I decided to go with the 175-liter fridge because since I live alone, I didn't feel the need to get something extremely big. I wanted something spacious enough for my groceries, drinks, but still practical for my space. Let's know, what do you think about this? So let's get it unboxed. First, we are taking off the packaging and the protective material. I was being extra careful because obviously I did not want my brand new fridge getting scratched before I even started using it. And here it is, hooray! I was honestly so excited to finally see it outside the box, because when you are buying these things, you see them online or in the shop, but it feels completely different when it finally arrives at your house. Let's know, what do you think about the fridge? I really love how simple and clean it looks. I was going for something that will blend nicely with the rest of my kitchen instead of looking too bulky. Now let's open it up and see the inside. We have the fridge section here with the shelf, storage compartment, and the vegetable drawer at the bottom. There's also the freezer section, which is definitely something I wanted because I like having enough space to store things without everything being squeezed together. For one person, I honestly feel the size is going to work really well for me. It comes with a manual, and of course, before putting anything inside, I'll give everything a good wipe down because I want my first groceries to go inside a nice and clean fridge. Let's know, what do you think? This whole moving out process has honestly been such a journey, from getting my curtains, setting up the living room, buying kitchen items, and now finally getting my fridge. Slowly but surely, everything is coming nice together. Let's know, what do you think about the Von 175 liters? I am waiting. It may seem like a small thing, but for me, every single purchase feels like another step towards creating the home I've always wanted. And now that the fridge is finally here, I'm already thinking about my first groceries, shopping, trips, and all that. So this is my new 175 fridge, and I'm honestly really happy with it. If you're also living alone, I think getting appliances that fit your actual needs instead of just buying the biggest option makes so much sense. That's me, my perspective. Let's know yours on your comment section. One more thing checked off my list, and I'm so excited and happy. And now let me go figure out what I'm putting in this fridge, or figure it out with me on the comment section. What do you think about the Von 175 liters? And is it suitable for someone living alone? Or what do you think? Let's know. It's a free word. Comment down and like. Bye bye. Till next time.